Hello and welcome to your next car on the walk around video for the 2016 318D M Sport Saloon in black sapphire metallic. The vehicle features a full Your Next Car M Performance body styling kit, and we've opted to go for the 19-inch BMW 442M alloys in jet black. You'll see there just behind those the M Sport Plus brakes, and on this vehicle we have got the full M Sport Plus package, something we will of course show you in a bit more detail as we make our way around. Down the side you can see it's a very clean and tidy example of a 3 Series saloon. We've also gone for the gloss black sidebars on this vehicle. You'll see on the rear windows you do get the sun protection glazing, again thanks to that M Sport Plus package. The interior again is something very special. We've got the Oyster Highlight Black Dakota leather. Both drivers and passengers can enjoy the heated seat options as well as electric lumbar. You do of course get the Harman Kardon surround sound, of course, as part of that M Sport Plus package. We've got the 7-speed automatic gearbox within the car, and again we shall talk about and show you more of that shortly. For rear passengers, you'll find a very spacious and very comfortable and clean and tidy Isofix rear bench with that central folding armrest once again. Apologies, it's a little bit dark, but there should be the best angle for you to take a look at how clean and tidy everything is. You do of course get the darkened M Sport headlining. Before heading to the very back of the car, again showing you off those brilliant 19-inch alloys, and of course you can see there, thanks to the light in the showroom, how much metallic paint you'll see from the black sapphire. Around at the back we've opted to go for the satin rear spoiler and matching rear diffuser on this 3 Series. And whilst we take a look at the boot space, it's of course worth mentioning that we're currently running a click and collect series here at Your Next Car. And if you want to find out a little bit more about that, and of course this wonderful car, including all of the prices and funding options, all you'll have to do is simply follow the links I'll leave for you in the description down below. And again, we shall now quickly take one last look at the rear seats before we head on inside the car, and I'll walk yourselves through those interior features in a bit more detail. Beginning with the BMW business navigation and media screen we have on this vehicle, and we shall also start the car up. So running you through a couple of the standard features that we have on the car, there is of course the standard sat-nav system, which is a really user-friendly system. There is of course also Bluetooth audio and telephone, DAB, as well as all of the usual refinements which you'd expect to find, including AUX, USB, and of course that pre-mentioned Bluetooth audio. Down here we'll find the dual climate controls along with the switches for our front heated seats. In terms of overall mileage, this vehicle's covered just over 65,000 miles. It comes with cruise, speed limiter, voice and volume controls, all on this lovely multifunction M Sport steering wheel. In terms of the vehicle's service history, we shall go through and show you that now. As you can see there's 2 recorded services from BMW, and we shall shortly be putting a 3rd on there from ourselves, as we shall be servicing the vehicle in-house. So thank you for taking the time to watch one of our walk-arounds. I do hope you've been able to find it useful. And again, if you would like some more information on this vehicle, all you'll have to do is simply follow those links below. We shall of course look forward to hearing and seeing yourselves very soon. Do of course take care. Thank you, take care, bye bye.